Welcome back to KnowHowRightNow. What I'm going to go over is the FOIL method, and basically I'm going to show you what the FOIL method is, and then I'm going to show you the way that I do the FOIL method, which is a little different, or at least I should say it's written differently. Let's say you have this polynomial. Okay, and your professor tells you to multiply it. Usually what you learn is you learn the FOIL method because it's catchy and it's easy. You say first, inner, outer, last. Basically you multiply this times this times that times this times that, right? And you know, it comes out, let's say this times that's x squared, this times this is plus 15x, this times this is minus 4x, and this times this is negative 64. And then you take like terms and you combine them, and you're left with x squared plus 11x minus 64, right? Okay. So anyhow, the way I like to do it is a little bit different. I think it's really, it's in my opinion, it's a little more organized. And if you have this like long thing that you have to do, then you don't have to go looking for all these like terms because it's all set up for you. So let's take this one for example. What happens when you take two numbers and you multiply them? Let's say 62 times, I don't know, 24. Whatever numbers. You take this and you multiply it times that, and it is equal to 8. And this times that, so you're multiplying this times that, and that times this, and so this is equal to 24, so 248, and then you add your zero term right here, and then you continue, this times that, which is equal to 4, and this times that, which is equal to 12, and then you add them together. 8 plus 0 is 8, 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 1 plus 0 is just 1, right? This is what we're doing basically. This is what I'm going to do, but with this here. Alright, so now what do you have? I'm going to take this, I'm going to rewrite it. X plus 15 and x minus 4. Let me rewrite it bigger. X plus 15 and x minus 4. Okay? We're going to do the same thing. 4 times 15 is negative 60. And negative 4 times x is equal to negative 4x. And then x times 15 is just 15x. Notice how what I did here is I basically assumed that this is 0 right here. Just like how we did in the last case. So I said negative 4 times 15 is negative 60. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. And then I moved on to the next row, right, or to this term right here, and then I added a 0 here, and then I say, okay, well this times that, and this times this. So x times 15 is 15x, and x times x is, well, that's x squared. And then what do? We add like terms. This is, what's negative 60 plus 0? Well, that's just negative 60, right? And that's exactly what we do in the last case, and what you learned a long time ago in third grade. Negative 4x plus 15x is 11x, and then we add this here. 0 plus x squared is, well, it's x squared. So either way, we get the same result. But like I said, in my opinion, it's kind of nice because it's nice and set up for you, so you don't have to go looking for your terms. And you can handle it that way. So unless your professor says specifically to FOIL it, then you can use this method, or you can use another method that you find. But yeah, if your professor does say specifically FOIL it, then just FOIL it. First, inner, outer, last. Okay, thanks a lot for joining me.